Before creating any application, it's very important to understand the life cycle events or the life cycle of navigation. And simply the life cycle events are fired during various stages of navigation. In other words, they are just functions that will be automatically called throughout your application in each page, and you can use them to accomplish a specific thing at that specific point. For example, you might want to store user information once the user exits a page, so you can execute a specific code at that specific lifecycle function. And it's going to make sense when I show you the code shortly. But here we have the lifecycle events, as you can see. For example, we have the Ion view did load, which is an event that will be run when the page has loaded. We also have the Ion view will enter, which is an event that will be run when the page is about to enter and become the active page. We also have several other events, such as the Ion view will leave, which is an event that will run when the page is about to leave and no longer be the active page. So let's now get to our code, and I'm going to show you an example to understand this much better. So here in the home.ts, what I have created is that inside the homepage class, I have added these three lifecycle events: the Ion view did load, and the Ion view will enter, and the Ion view will leave. And inside them, I executed a simple code, which is just a console log that will print the name of the function so that we know which one will run first and which one will run last, and at which point each one will run. So let's now save and test. So here I'm going to use Ionic serve. So now that we have our application, let's now check the console to see the console log. As you can see, the Ion view did load has been executed first, and then the Ion view will enter has been called next. And that's obvious because after a page has been loaded, then the Ion view did load will be called, and then the Ion view will enter. After loading the page, the enter will be called. The Ion view will enter will be called. Let's now navigate to another page. For example, if I go from the home page to the about page, look what's going to happen. As you can see, the Ion view will leave has been called because we left the home page and we went to the about page.